What happened?
Welcome to Say What Again! I'm Dr. Slime.
我是讲会讲博士
And we're here to battle it out to find out who's better at their respective preferred language.
今天我们有课到，请做个自我介绍。
我叫陆明哲，我今年9岁，我最喜欢玩电脑游戏。
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm 10 years old this year. When I'm bored, I play basketball and run.
Oh, nice. I've got a little sportsman. How do you fancy your chances?
问都不用问，一看就知道我们会赢，你说是吧？对。
Why did I even ask? Well, we're gonna win it, and here are the rules.
In the game of charades, each player has a guest who will be shown a series of words. Guests will act out the word without speaking, while the players will have 60 seconds to guess as many words as possible. The team that gets the most number of correct answers wins.
计时开始。
How many words? Basketball? No, Spider-Man. Yes. What is it? Something with a hat. A hat? Top hat? Cat in a hat? Dr. Seuss? But squatting and moving like that. Pass, next. Looking at? Oh, what? What am I looking at? I'm losing my mind. Why? Okay, moving. Swimming? Aquaman? No? Harry Potter? No?
Pass.
Pass.
2
What? Eating something? I'm just gonna guess this. Eating... I'm not getting this.
5、4、3、2、1。
Oh no!
啊哈！那个是爆米花。明哲，
Oh.
你觉得我们可以打败他们吗？
可以。
来吧！
And now it's your turn. 60 seconds on the clock. Here we go!
2个字，眼妆化妆，化妆，耶！下一个，几个字？2个字，好。功夫，叶问。
Oh, yes, correct.
下一题。足球，少林足球。好，下一道题。2个字。咔，切，盖，拍 ，action。第一个字是什么？第一个字。
We've got 5 seconds on the clock. 4,
第二个字。
3, 2, 1, and time.
哦，不过没关系，明哲，我们还是赢了他们耶！
Annoying.
哈哈，这集的比分是3比1，你知道该怎么做啦？明哲，准备好了吗？
好了，
Let's go！
Oh, well, it's not so bad, Jason. It's just slime.
3、2、1。
Oh, you got most of the slime. Oh, well, you know what they say. Misery loves company.
Hello everybody! Welcome to Say It Like It Is, where we test the wits of kids and adults. Let's go! Okay, do you know what sound a tornado makes?
I don't know, like whoosh. Like
Really?
there's like some
Is that a
thunder
really
sounds,
chill-
I think so. Like bam.
Can you imagine what sound a tornado makes?
I think it's like very strong wind sound.
Okay, I make the sound, then you see whether it's like that, okay? Ding, 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 like this?
No.
No. Okay. Is it like, ooh? Because you say strong wind, right? Okay, then is it like...
Yeah. Like
Okay.
something like that.
Do you think they have tornadoes in Singapore?
I wouldn't think so.
Why not?
Mostly because of like the weather. It's like mostly sunny. Sometimes it rains and then it continues to rain. So there's maybe like a chance of it happening.
But let's say one day you just so happen
Okay.
to, you know, watch the news and then they say, alright, slight chance of tornado. Will you be worried?
Kind of.
Okay.
But I would also get like ready to run.
What will you do if you see a tornado?
Run.
Have you ever seen a tornado in real life?
No.
Where, would you like to see one?
No.
Why not? What will you do if you see a tornado?
Evacuate.
Evacuate.
Evacuate as well. Yeah.
Okay. But isn't it like, you know, every time you see something new, you will take a picture, right? Will you take a picture or video first?
Maybe I will take a
For the
picture
private story. For the private
fun.
story.
Yeah, why not?
But I mean, do a vlog or something while running away, what do you think?
Hi guys, today
That
there's
would
a tornado.
actually be quite interesting, honestly.
Explain to us how a tornado is formed.
A tornado.
Give me an intelligent guess.
It's like when the wind rises up from a ground at a fast speed at a high altitude and then it spins horizontally and eventually it forms like a tornado-like shape. It's like a whirlpool but on the ground, not in the water.
A tornado is like this wind thing and then it spins around violently.
Wind and landslide. No, no.
Wind and
no.
what?
Wind. Something. Wind. Wind.
Wind. So, okay, what about the wind you said?
Opposite directions.
So help her out, like opposite direction, and then how does it form a tornado?
I think like opposite directions, then they clash with each other, and then somehow it just like forms up into like a tornado.
Okay, so the answer is a tornado forms from a large thunderstorm. So inside the thunder clouds, warm and hot air rises while cool air falls. This results in spinning air inside the cloud.
Okay.
Because one rises, one falls.
Okay.
Right? So the spinning air current can then turn vertical and drop down from the cloud, becoming a tornado. Alright, that was fun! So what do you think of the answers we've gotten today between the kids and the adults? We will see you in the next episode of Say It Like It Is. Till then,